Well, hi everybody. Welcome back to my vlog. This is another episode in which I'm going to show you some technical stuff. Today it's about technical analysis again. So I'm gonna use this TALIB module. I can certainly advise you to download this and try it out because it's really nice if you want to see these technical analysis studies and try them out. It's really quite extensive. It's quite crazy what they actually made. If you want to see what kind of functions it holds, the list goes on and on. As you saw, we have this candle hammer, and we're going to use that one today. But I think I want to use this one also soon. The Hikake. Yeah, Hikake. TriStar. Anyway, candlesticks, some other things, EMA, of course. RSI is in here, and I guess I will be going over some other ones too soon. But let's start with that hammer part, and let's see. So the hammer is one candlestick which you can use to signal some uptrend coming. So that's what we're going to use today. So what I did was use a little piece of code I already have that I used to pull this stuff from a function out of TALIB, and also transform it a bit, scale it, so that it's like ready to go for the matplotlib chart. And well, you can see what that does at the moment. Let's run this. So you just see the CCIs. They are gray in here. So now you see that. Before we start, we got a stock called EPC to do some examples, to put some examples into. So this is just a little example of the candlestick called hammer, and what I will ask the GPT now is just to rebuild this stuff, this CCI stuff that already put some effort in, to get out of it the hammer signals. So let me just see where I have this over here, and I got this out of GPT. So we already have these. The hammers here, opening, price history, okay, that's all good. So it says hammer, I call it hammers, do it like this. And let's see if we print this for a sec, or it's like this. I just want to put some break in that because I want to debug this for the first time. Let's see what happens now. So we have the prices, of course, nicely stacked over here, and then we want to see the hammers, of course. And looky here. Let's see what is. Right. Okay. So it actually fills this stuff up right quite nicely. And let's see if I put this into the values were a little small maybe. Well, we'll see that then. So let's see CDL here. The hammers, and let's do, what do we do today? Maybe we do yeah, let's do red. Let's run this. 2 years. 2 years is my standard. Okay. So is this actually, yeah, it's at 12, I think. So we got our first readings then. So that was a short one. If this is all we have to do, you see the power of TALIB. Yeah, just put it in the comments if you want to see more of TALIB. Like installing TALIB was not that great of an idea for my second project, because I thought, okay, we have it in one event and I want to put it into another for another Python project, and that totally failed. So not sure what the problem was over there, but if you have it installed, be sure to have some fun with that, because you see it here, you see it in action. Yeah, okay, so the next thing that you could do is like check if like I put this, let me see if you can see this, like I put some line in sync with the red ones, and see if it actually shows some kind of a prediction. Well, the first one, okay, that's okay, but here's the second one, and that like fails. It needs a couple of days, and then what happens? Yeah, it's going nowhere. So I'm not sure. Yeah, we have to maybe do some extra how do you say that? Some extra research on this, because no, it didn't do inverted hammers actually, because the inverted hammer, that's another one. So this should be only normal hammers that we're looking at, and that's a bit disappointing, I guess. But yeah, that's the way it goes with these modules. Yes, I have got some things over there. My spinner came up with some trading ideas, and we're gonna have a look at that also. Let me see this one. Here's a red one that's failing. Here's a red one, also failing. Here's a red one. Not sure about that. So yeah, I'm not sure about this one, but yeah, I just showed you how to implement that, and pretty fast too, I think. So let's go to the other part I wanted to show you. It's like we have some trading ideas here baked up, and then let's see if I can't even normally copy and paste it from my notepad. That's like, So let's see. Let's put these in. So here we have a low RSI. So this is a head fake, of course, here. Let me just check something. Yeah, that print that we had. So let's go to 1 sec. Yeah. Let's see and just, yeah, so this one is quite good over here. And yeah, I wouldn't even have bought this one because RSI is not low enough. And then the peak, of course, you could have made some money there. And this is all quite shady what we see here, so I really wouldn't step into this one at this point. But I can go to another one. Let's see another one for sure. Okay, really like this. Okay, this looks quite healthy over here. This is a bit shady. Blue is too high. Also here too. Blue is high everywhere. It's low here. Low. And it's low over here. Yeah, you get actually here like these signals. But what do you get out of it? So it's also, this is a, let me see, this market cap is 369, it's 2 billion. This one. Market cap of the previous 1.5 billion. Next one that we're going to see is also 2 billion. This actually looks quite good here, but this is RSI. RSI has been to the bottom and it's 41 now, but still, yeah, it's went up in like 3-4 days like crazy, and it's like 494. Yeah, 5 days. If anybody that is seeing this has a suggestion for a better chart module than Matplotlib, please let me know, and let me know using the comments, because yeah, there are some problems with this one. I think with the labels. I don't have a lot of control over the labels. I think so. You can see dates here in a normal fashion and stuff like that. So it just shows the number of items in the array. Yeah, I'm a bit obsessed with what is going on over here. And you know, this is the part where you're checking your conscience. This is that part where you want to do some how did Elon call it this week? Some wishful thinking. can we see this happening more often is my question. Not in this chart for sure. Maybe the 5-year can have a try, but yeah, I'm not saying this is going to work pretty well, but so blue doesn't even hit that low, and didn't need a lot of volume either. Basically with an RSI like this, it's like it's low here, it's low over here, but it doesn't say a lot. So I think this one is also a bit scary. You see how low the RSI is here, and the volume is good. There's some volume over here. Blue is low, and there's a green. Yeah, I would have invested in this for sure. And let me show you on the 2-year again. So like this is like the perfect storm over here, and the days, let's count them. At the X on the bottom right we see like 416, and let's keep it to 426, and then you're here. So and then you're at 38 on the Y, 38 something, 38 and a half. Yeah, that doesn't really float my boat. So this is a bit, I discard this one a bit because of the scary chart. Let's see. Okay, so now this is some pretty news, because I actually bought this one, and I bought this like over here. Yeah, bought it like one day after. You see this low. It's got some volume. It's got a low RSI, and it's got this green green signal, which I'll go into in another video too. But for now, I'm just showing you that it can be pulled off like that. You see, this is like a nice chart, anyways, because these other greens are hitting quite okay here, and you see here in the terminal that one is 37 only. Okay, it just means that these green ones, green signals, they just turn into a profit like 37% of the time for this chart only. Yeah. Anyway, so this is one I already bought, so I'm not want to go into that for that long either. So let's do another new one. Yeah, I have like six new ones to go. What does the 22%? So mostly the green go and fail in this one. I will check for you the market cap. Market cap is 117 billion. 117 billion. And what do we see here? So we're late to the party already on this one. It's a bit strange. Didn't I see that earlier? It's a bit strange. I don't think I've seen this in my logs for like yesterday. I mean, Friday or over the weekend, actually. ELV. It's approaching the simple moving average. So not doing this either. So this is, we got some other ones to check. If you really want to invest, it's like, come on, that's not how we work, okay? It's like you have to be like the machine. So yeah, if we actually want to see these signals line up, right? As our biggest and best investor, Mr. Jim Simons, explains, these things have to line up, and then you can do something with it. Here the same, we have a blue and a green. Like a couple of days ago I went into that for sure, but so I have some positions like this already, so I'm not going to do. Yeah, I'm just not sure enough about this yet, because it's like two signals. It's just not what I want to stick my head in. Let's see what the next one brings. So here you see some yellow in front of green. I see these yellows, the volume, as a kind of a fuel for these green signals often, but also surrounding it sounds okay. Well, not here. The one parameter is at 19%, so just 1/5 of these green ones is making a profit, it says. Yeah, it always looks very nice like this, but it's not making any profits. Yeah, so what am I checking for now? So yellow is like okayish. Yellow is okay. Green is okay. Blue is okay. Yellow surrounding. Yeah, yellow is my newest parameter, so that's why I'm a bit searching for meaning actually. So this is surrounding it, and this is a bad one. This one is surrounded and a good one. But put it just, this is just before, that's not so special. Some yellow before this, and then green. Yellow before this, the green is flat. Yellow before yellow, nothing, and then green, and then it hits. There's like a bit of nothing, green, and then, so this one also nothing, and then green. So it seems like you don't want yellow involved here. Brown spikes. Brown's a good one here. It's nothing here. It's okay here. You see some multiple. I think it's good here. Very good actually if you do the long run. Here it's a catastrophe, but here it's neutral. Here you have like four ones. It's like bouncing up and down this SMA. So here you have two still going down. It's a bit of a shady chart again. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like some charts are working better with these signals than others. Let me just make a little note. and move on to the next. Okay, so this RSI looks nice. I just want to call it RSI, like in my country. We call it RSI. RSI looks nice. I like nice RSI. But this is also okay. And this is 0%. Every green signal is a loss. Right. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for the green signals. Then the big question is, what does it say at this moment? The green signal. Is it gonna be the first hit? So yeah, if you do statistical, well, that's a big thing actually. Like looking back, is not what you want to do with this quant business. You don't want to look back in a way that these results in the history like influence like future results. So I just it's not so far from the moving average either. So big question is if you want to feel adventurous and do something with this. Oh. Now the 1%, the win percentage is going to 15%. On a bigger scale, it's like we have yellow, green. Yeah, like blue is not. There's no easy win to be found here either. Like more. This one's more clean. No yellow involved. Again. Green. No yellow involved. Yellow involved. Green. Touches. Bad. Green. Yellow touches. Bad. Wow, it's slow. Green. This is bad. Yeah, so this is the last part, these 2 years where it's only losing. But blue is very low here, but there's no green. So we're actually going to look at what happens when blue is low and there's green. It's mostly like it's okay, it's neutral. Yeah, you can expect some gain. even here. Come on. Expect some gain. Low yellow, low blue. Low blues over here. Low blues over here. Nothing. You see these almost doesn't say anything in this chart. Like here the same. You see. That's sad. I want to do a small gamble on this one too. So the KLM, let's call it that one. Let's call it KLM. Don't know what the hell this stock is. Sorry if your dad's working there, or if it's your company, but I'm investing in it. How do you like that? Up to the next one. Play this next one. We have two to go. Go. Let's see this blue being low. Come on. You go from 350 to 6. You double your money on this one. 1% is 30, and we had 5 years. 5 years, but let's see. I don't really want to do 5 years because I did research, and research clearly states, my research states that in these bigger scales, like 5 years, you see these patterns wash out. That means no. In other words, in the last 2 years, you are looking at this chart. This washing doesn't occur. So, yeah, as I do these Yahoo prices, yeah, I have like the choice 2 year or 5 year, so I keep it 5 year. So just have a look at the 5 year just for fun now. You see the brown. The brown actually is saying something. Let's see, the market cap on this one is 3, 5, 6, like 111 billion. If a stock is this big, cannot do something else but move according to my signals. You see, that makes me happy. The brown ones. Yeah, you see this happening already. But let's see. This can be a dangerous one on the 2 year. But let's see that for now. Let's see what's happening here on the 2 year, because this is where you want to invest. Although this ending looks a bit flaky, these prices. Anyway. Blue and brown, come on, check this one. Brown? Really? This beautiful? Brown is over here. It's falling after that. A blue dip. In line with the blue dip. And there you have to watch out for the stop loss, and here just a small pointer, small up, and then also falling, same as here. So not directly invest in the brown one, but later on it's okay. Let's see. This is green. Oh, this is bad. 17%. You kidding me? Wow. Check this one aligning. It's green, blue, and brown. And then this price action. So, okay, that's what we need. Green, blue, and brown. And I don't see that here. That means a big no for this one either. And then the last one I'm going to do today is this one. So here we see some things coming together. But it's already on the SMA. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it at that. Everybody, thank you a lot for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.